Hello, this is Taíno. And where am I? I'm in the little forest planting yucca and building a canuco. And why am I doing that? Because this Sunday, April 26th, we're going to be having a very special celebration, and we're inviting you to join us. YUKAYEKE YARA CU will be celebrating the return of the spring rains, which is a very sacred and traditional and important ceremony for the Taino people. And why is that? Because the spring rains came and nourished the earth and brought new life. And if you live in Austin, Texas, you know that the spring rains have arrived, and we're so excited for the rain because it's been a little while since we've had rain. So we are having the celebration, and it couldn't be more timely. The Taino people, when they celebrated this event, they remembered Atabey, who is our cosmic mother and giver of life, and Yokahu, her son, the Semi, whose rays of sun nourish the plants so that they could grow food and nourish the people. So it's a very, very important event. And this is the time of year that not only should we be planting plants, but planting seeds of intention for hopes and dreams to come in the new year. So that's what we're celebrating. And guess what? We're giving a workshop, and we'll teach you how to plant yucca. We bought 100 stalks of yucca. Yes, they're just sticks, but they will grow, and we're going to teach you how to plant yucca in the traditional Taino way. And then we're going to sing and dance and celebrate with Areytos, and you're going to take your yucca home so that you can grow it throughout this year. Yes, it's going to be a lot of fun. Next Sunday, April 26th, this very important day in the Taino calendar. So don't miss it. Peace. Chali. Taíno, wishing you happiness.